So this is a pound yen analysis for Monday the 17th of September. Now let's just have a look at them prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices hold the 45.11 for support, had the bullish buy side momentum take us through the 146, also the 146.38. We've come up towards this 147, counted a bit of resistance here and around that 147, tested a couple of times, had this pullback down towards this 146.38, from which we've held, used it as a base for use it as a springboard. As we can see, we do seem poised for another test of that 147. So if we do continue our bullish momentum here to the upside, taking us beyond the 147, the very next levels of note here that we should mention are the 147.35, successful break from which we're then looking for a move towards a 148.46, and that's 148.61. And if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond the 148 and the 148.61, very next level of note here to the upside is a move down towards, move up towards this 149.10. If, however, we do see a bit of a turnaround here again and around that 147, looking to see whether that 146.38 does hold. If we do break the 146.38, looking for a move down to the 146, and if there is sufficient volatility here to the downside, would expect the far end of range to be in around that 145.11. Don't anticipate 144.78 coming into focus here on the pound against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frames, see how prices are developing. So here on this weekly chart of the pound against the yen, we can see here we started to trend here to the downside on the pound against the yen. More recently, however, we have seen a degree of bullishness enter the market. Had a pretty strong close to last week. Pretty notable candle due to its open to close range and the fact that we did close near our highs, and we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum follow through here on the pound against the yen. So if we do see this continuation here to the upside on the pound against the yen, the very next level of note that we are looking at from a weekly chart perspective is possibly move up towards that 49.10 here on the pound against the yen. And we'll finally have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the pound against yen, we had a consolidative lows, had strong bullish buy side momentum, sharp pullback, held in around 43.78, used as a springboard for a strong continuation. And at present we're testing at 146.38 with that a confluence of the 400 period moving average. So at present we do appear to be holding at 146.38 with a 400 period moving average confluence. We do seem poised for a test of that 47.35, and beyond that we have mentioned it before, but we've got a 49.10 all the way up here, our previous highs before we did see this pretty strong sell side momentum come into the market. But we should also mention in around that 148.46 we do have the 200 period moving average, and again it could act as a further confluence and see sell side momentum come into the market from that level. But overall the the overall trend for the past couple of weeks now has been to the upside. It's been a bit of a recovery here on the pound against the yen, so we'll see if we can have that continuation follow through to the upside on the pound against the yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.